Hello guys, welcome to this new video. This is Lucky Basel from Digital Mastery YouTube channel where we talk about money making opportunities and tips and tricks to boost your income. Today we are going to talk about Traffic Blaster Pro. This is the done for you system which helps you to generate more traffic and leads to your offer. As we can see, people are getting this software every single time. The cost of this site is only $1 for 7-day trial and $34.9 for 6 months. Traffic Blaster Pro will send email to the people who have already signed up for email list. And you can see all the information about this. If you share this with two people, you will get all the traffic absolutely for free. You don't even need to invest. Here we can see all the payment system. This is the easiest and fastest way to start your affiliate income. Here you can see all the bonuses you are getting. Social media marketing suite, done for you sales funnel. Here you can see all the information. You will get 8 bonuses worth of 2,800, more than $2,800. Here you can see all the payment proof people are getting with this system. You can see all the payment proofs. To use this Traffic Cluster Pro, you have to follow these simple steps. Submit your link to the receive traffic. This will take less than 10 minutes. Get your sales funnel, and this one is done for you. Everything is done for you. And promote your business, and you can relax. You can see all the information. This much for today, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.